To make a brochure on Google Slides. Start by opening Google Slides and clicking on the blank template to create a new presentation. Select the page size that suits your needs. Typically 8.5 by 11 inches for a standard brochure. Choose a theme or template that matches your brochure's purpose. Or start from scratch with a blank slide. If you want to create a trifold brochure, you will need to create 3 panels. So set up your slides accordingly. Add text by clicking on the text box tool and typing in your content. Use the formatting options to adjust font size, style, and color to make your text stand out. Add images by clicking on the image icon and uploading your files or searching for free images from the Google library. Organize your content in a logical order, with the most important information on the front panel and the less important details on the inside. Panels. Use bullet points and short paragraphs to make your content easy to read. To add visual interest, use shapes, icons, and graphics from the Google Slides library. You can also add tables, charts, and diagrams to present complex information in a simple way. Once you have added all your content, review your brochure for spelling and grammar errors, and make sure the layout is balanced and visually appealing. Use the preview option to see how your brochure will look when printed. Finally, download your brochure as a PDF file and print it on your preferred paper type. You can also share it digitally by sending the link to others or embedding it on your website. Best practices for creating a brochure on Google Slides include keeping your design simple and focused, using high-quality images, and proofreading your content carefully. By following these steps and tips, you can create a professional-looking brochure on Google Slides that effectively communicates your message.